Well, hello there. Long time no see. Well, last time I saw you, I managed to figure out who the killer in this murder mystery was, and, well, how's life behind bars? I figured I would come here to cheer you up with a little tutorial to kind of pass time. So we're starting out with a couple of colors from the new fall collection from Light Elegance called Who Done It, and also adding a little bit of glitter to this as well. And this questionable motives flaky glitter, oh my god, it is a favorite. Of course, we need to cap this because it is a glitter you want to place out and it's going to be a little bit bumpy. So you want to cap that and then, of course, file and buff it. And we're going to buff all 5 nails for this to prep it for some nail art. Starting out with some white gel paint together with the stripy and swirly brush. And what I'm doing here, well, you know those letters you see kind of in the movies? Hopefully you have not received a letter like this. But, you know, in the like murder mystery movies, whatever, you get notes where you have cut out pieces like letters from different newspapers. This is kind of what I'm trying to do here. So I'm placing out these uneven squares and then I am going to add my lettering into this. Now I'm just going straight on. Well, since I've been painting a while, I can kind of see just by looking at the nail how I want to space the squares out. But there's a couple of different tricks you can use here. You can actually draw with like a regular pen onto the nail first and then paint over that. Or you can just place teeny tiny dots of white in the center of where you want each square to be so that you don't end up at the end with like a teeny tiny square and you can't fit everything. This nail was so much fun to do, and of course I'm using my stripy brush. It is perfect for lettering. Moving on to the next nail where I am going to paint like a thumb print. Yep, just like that. So I just pull out a picture from Google. It's not a real thumbprint, obviously, but just like a illustration of a thumbprint. And on the next nail, continuing with some white gel paint and my swirly brush and creating some hand prints instead. So we got a thumbprint and some hand prints. So basically for this design, it's just that I'm doing a background with all the colors and then I'm painting with gel paint on top of that. So all of these designs are so easy to do at your salon. It's really a salon type of nail design, easy, fun to do, and of course because we have a murder mystery, we want some kind of played here as well. So coming in with Dirty Little Secret, some white and black gel paint, and then of course finishing everything off with some flat matte, and we're gonna do that on all 5 nails just to make it even more mysterious and nice. And here you have the finished result. As said, you know, this is such a fun, easy way to create something fun on your client's nails. You don't have to do all of them, of course, but here you have a sample of different fun designs to add to your set if you want to. And they're really fast, really easy, and a great way to showcase your new colors, of course. This fabulous collection is out now, so you can get it at lightelegance.com or with your closest Light Elegance distributor. And of course, all LE products are HEMA-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And as always, we do believe that what's inside matters. I really do hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and oh yeah, by the way, there's a file in the cake I just gave you. You didn't think I was gonna leave you here, did you? See you on the outside. Bye!